Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how you can set up recurring tasks in monday.com. It is very simple to do. All you have to do is on the top right corner press on your profile icon and then go to automations. Here you have to click on create custom automation, and here you can select any board that you want to use. For me, I'm going to use practice board, but you can choose any board that you like. Then click on when this happens, then scroll down and select every time period, and then select create item or duplicate group or whatever you like, but in this tutorial we're gonna do create item. And then you have to add an item. You can add the group, you can add the name of the item, like I am going to name 111. You can add the group you want to add it to, and then you can assign it to a person if you like. You can add its status like stuck or whatever. You can add a date maybe if you like, and that's it, that's all. And then you have to press create automation. By the way, here you have to set if you want to run it daily or weekly or monthly. I want it daily at 7:15. Okay, I want to set a daily for 7:15. Then press create automation, and that's it. Now a automatic recurring tasks automation has been created, and it will create an item every day based on the conditions that we set. So this is how you set up recurring tasks in monday.com. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks.